Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we've got a 2012 Toyota Camry. On this 2012 Toyota Camry we're going to go over where you would add windshield washer fluid. So your windshield washer fluid is right here. This would be on the right side of the vehicle, say passenger side, up front right behind the headlight assembly. You've got a cap here. You just open it up. You pour your washer fluid in here, any type that you like for your vehicle. And then you just pour it in. You can fill it up until you visually see where it is. This thing will generally hold about 3 liters or 3 quarts. So if it's all the way empty, you know, and you're not getting any fluid, well then it's going to take about a gallon. Okay, so you put your fluid in there, and then say if this is full and you're not getting any spray out, either the sprayers could be plugged up or the motor pump that pumps it out of here could be bad, or a fuse. And so you would, if this is full, you would have to go in to do some other research on what needs to be replaced or fixed for this for your washer fluid to keep working. But that's where you would add your washer fluid on your Toyota Camry of a 2012. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.